Hello everyone, welcome to Early Learning Concepts, and in today's video we are going to learn about phonics sound or beginning sound of letter B. But before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel and press the bell icon also so you can get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's begin. Sound of letter B is B. B, B. I repeat, sound of letter B is B, B, B. Words are B for bat, B, B, bat. B for ball, B, B, ball. B for bag, B, B, bag. B for bed, B, B, bed. B for banana, B, B, banana. B for butterfly, B, B, butterfly. Let's repeat. B for bat, B, B, bat. B for ball, B, B, ball. B for bag, B, B, bag. B for bed, B, B, bed. B for banana, B, B, banana. B for butterfly, B, B, butterfly. So today we learned the sound of letter B with few B words. If you liked my video, then please press the like button and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video with another letter and words. Till then, bye bye.